Hi everyone, welcome to JavaScript channel. Today we are going to talk about two topics in React. One of them is router and the next one is hooks. First we start our router topic, and router topic is the most popular solution. And to create an application with multiple page routes, let's first start with file structure. Here in source file we make one folder by the name of page. Inside of page we make some file. One of them is layout.js, next one home.js, next one contact.js, next one we have blocks.js, and the last one is nopage.js. Let's make one function inside of each files. Export default function blocks. We return some string here. Welcome to blocks page, and home page also. Export default function home. Again we return here something. Welcome to home page. And contact also, let's copy this and paste it here. Just change the name, contact, page, and also blocks, no page also. No page means 504. After that, let's import all of them here. Import home here, import blocks, import contact, and import no page. In layout page we have make some links. The layout component has outlet and link element. The outlet render the current role selected, and link is used to set the URL and keep track of browsing history. Anytime we link to an internal path, we will use link instead of href. The layout route is shared component that insert common content of all pages, such as a navigation menu. First we import outlet and linked. Outlet and link. After that we make one function. Export default function layout. Here we return inside of that we have one nav. Inside of nav we have one list ul. Inside of ul we have tree list. Inside of each list we have one link. First one to home page. Next one to blocks, page, and the last one is the contact page. We have link to the contact page. Contact, and we use here outlet also. Outlet. Now we import the layout files in app.js also. Here import layout. We clean all of them here, and after that we import the browser, browser router, route, and routes. Now we call inside of browser, we have routes, and inside of routes we have route. Okay. First element we give path to element of layout, page. Next one, route. We have index element whom, the next one, route, we have the path blocks, we have element, we use inside of that blocks, the next route we have contact, we have element, contact route, and the end we have the no page route, path, element, no page. Okay, now everything is finished. Now let's see how it works. Let's run this one. Okay, this welcome to home page. Let's welcome to blog page and welcome to contact page. It was about router, and let's come to the next topic, hooks. What's hooks? Hooks were added to React in version 16.8. Hooks allows function component to have access to state and other React features. Because of this, class components are generally no longer needed. Although hooks generally replace class component, there are no plans to remove classes from React. And what's hooks? Hooks allows us to hook into React features such as states and lifecycle method. Let's have one example. We clean all of them. Again, this one also. We clean this one also. First, we use here const color and set color. We use from use state as read. Okay, we clean this one also. Yeah, now it's work. Here we return something. We have one header, my favorite color is the color, and at the end of this we have one button. Inside of button we have blue, and the type of this button is button, and we have one function on click. The set color should be blue. Yes. And like this we have another button. The color of this button should be red, and the type of this button also should be button, and on click should be on clicked, should be set color as be red. Okay, let's copy this one and make paste here. Just we change the color name pink, and this one also be pink. We have next also one more green. Okay, that's it. Now let's see how it works. Okay, my favorite color is red. You can see here. Let's click on blue. My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is red. My favorite color is pink, and my favorite color is green. Okay, thanks. It was about router and hook. See you soon in the next video. Goodbye.